looks like we made it. Yeah. There you are, looking just the same as you were when you extended me. And here I am, tangled in your stream, close enough to taste luminosity. Can I love you as much as you love me? I know your love is strong. You've been with me all along. Looks like we made it, left each other on the way to a greater love. Oh, so we made it. Never thought so till today. Now you are there everywhere, and all I can feel is love that we created. So strange, buried deep within a heart that's always hurting. You played it cool, staying close enough to keep us in our chemistry. Can I thank you for all those painful times? Love let me lose my mind to only guide me home. My soul, we made it, separated on the way to expand our love. Oh yes, we made it. Now I realize it today that you are here everywhere, and all I can feel is love that we created. Oh, we made it, mission completed. So we made it, integrated. Yes, we made it. Each step I take upon these grains of sand that uphold my feet, yeah, slip through my hands. If by a grain of salt I can retaste my soul, then by love for myself I can become whole.